Biafrans were not annihilated. Our leaders were wise. His Honorable His Lordship, Honorable Justice Ezozobo, told me something. He said, when the war came to a peak, they took a decision. The elders and the leaders of Biafrans, the elder statesmen, the military leaders, and the civilian leaders, they took a decision. They said, okay, we will give up this fight. We will negotiate on the basis of no victor, no vanquished. And on the basis, Achuzie also told me and confirmed the same thing. General Achuzie, he also confirmed what they discussed when they ended the war. That the parties will agree on the no victor, no vanquished, and